Hello guys, in today's video, if you are looking for a device that can withstand the most extreme conditions while still providing you with the cutting-edge technology, the Blackview Active 10 Pro is made for you. This rugged tablet is designed for those who work on the edge, whatever you are exploring the wilderness, working in the field, or simply want a device that won't give up. The Active 10 Pro immediately grabs attention with its rugged design, available in black and orange. This tablet comes with the IP68, IP69K and mil-STD810H certifications, guaranteeing resistance to water, dust, shocks and extreme temperatures. This is not just a device, this is your reliable partner in the most challenging situations. The inside of the tablet is equally impressive. It's powered by the octa-core MediaTek Dimensity 7300 processor, while 12GB of RAM and 512GB of internal storage ensures fast and seamless performance. The memory can be expanded up to 2TB, meaning you have plenty of space for everything from work files to movies and games. The docOS operating system based on Android 14 delivers a modern, fast and customizable interface. Its 10.95-inch FHD Plus display delivers vivid colors and sharp details, while the 90Hz refresh rate ensures smooth scrolling and browsing. Whether you're watching a movie, browsing maps, or working on the documents, this tablet display leaves a lasting impression. What really sets the Active 10 Pro apart is its battery. With a brutal 30,000 mAh battery, this tablet can go for days and days without recharging, and when you need it, the 54-watt fast charging ensures you can top it up quickly enough for continue your adventures. When it comes to photography, Blackview doesn't compromise. The 180-megapixel rear camera delivers exceptional detail and image quality, while the 20-megapixel Sony night vision camera allows you to shoot in near total darkness. The super bright 400-lumen camping light illuminates any space, whether you're outdoors or solving emergency situations. The Blackview Active 10 Pro is not just a tablet, it's a tool that redefines the boundaries of what technology can offer. Ready for the toughest challenges, this device is for those looking for reliability, power and functionality. Are you ready to take your experience to the next level? Check out the link below this video and get yourself a Blackview Active 10 Pro at a discounted price while the promotion lasts. Do it today. That's all for now. See you soon in the next video. Bye.